So what's up, guys? Told you I was gonna strap my phone to my chest. That's what I just did. I don't know if it's gonna stay on or not. The cops just rolled past, so we're gonna see what happens. Some old man's been fucking with me lately, and I don't like it. So I fuck with him back because I'm just that nigga. I don't know what the view's looking like right now because I really can't see my phone. And this really is hurting my chest. I don't really give a fuck. So just tell me how that view is. Please and thank you. I'll probably look retarded with a phone strapped to my chest. Fuck it. I don't care. Come on, big bitch. Ugh. 1 second. Let me get off here. I feel like it's coming loose. Ah, fuck. This is a risk to my phone right now. I don't think it's gonna work. I need more electrical tape is what I need. Yeah, see, people are already looking at me like a fucking retard. I really need more electrical tape. I only put like 2 wraps around this thing, and then I ran out of electrical tape. I just don't want to hit my mom's car, so I pull it out first. Now you guys probably won't be able to hear me once I turn this thing on. So have fun hearing the dirt bike and not me. I don't think you'll be able to hear me. So here we go. Trying to make sure that's the cops. Because the cops just rolled past. I'm not trying to get caught. If I get caught, they're impounding my dirt bike. So we're gonna see what this feels like. With this on here, I'm gonna show you my test track out here. Oh yeah, that's not gonna stay on. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit, sit down. Shit. Alright, time to go back to the house. Cops are gonna come. There's an old man over there fucks with me a lot. And the cops just roll past. So we're gonna try. Yeah, oh shit, I thought that was him right there. I ain't got nothing to worry about. Got shit to worry about. Alright, that's that. This is hurting me. I'm gonna take this off. Oh fuck! Ouch! Ow! Alright, we can do this some other time. I don't know what the view is like. Ow! At least time for some new electrical. Hey, if you guys like that, comment down below. I'll start doing it more. Stay on there pretty good. So I don't care. See you guys later.